Are you a student of another university in Mexico from abroad? And you want to experience how this to study in the U.D.G is an exchange student? Good morning. My name is Ruben Blanco. I am grateful that you allow me to present the university number 01, the West of Mexico, which offer the widest cover in terms of educational level of Jalisco State, from high school postgraduate of high quality. UDG has academic cooperation with the more than 41 countries around the world, and you can get to know our country culture. Perhaps you can meet and talk with other students about their culture and more daily things. Always keeping in mind that we are the same of living according to what we think is right. If your plan is to enter a good educational center, motivate, be learning with the best tools that the university can provide and experience and new things, this is your best choice. University of Guadalajara. We will give you comforting welcome, and as you familiarize yourself with the campus, you will have a brochure that includes academic information and how it is to live in Guadalajara City in order to be an excellent student. In Guadalajara, you can have experience that benefit your life as you achieve your goals. Living in the city for 6 months will develop better skill in career and independence and complete the life due to diverse visions, people and place that take place in here. When it comes to leisure and cultural activities, you can find a sport club of Guadalajara University, the Cultural Institute, Cabañas, they visit to important places like the Art Museum, the Independence Street, of the religious plaza, a traditional act of worshiping. Taste the tequila or enjoy a soccer match with friends. And as an added value within the entrance to our education center, you will be able to improve your skill in the second language, opportunity given to all our students, especially we high number of Latin, how are in the program. Come and make part of the family. You can take advantage of all the ability you have from yourself as a the professional in your area and become someone who makes in the world better. Remember that applying towards student for the next semester, you need to follow some steps. One, the research period. Second, unique applying of admission test. Three, document preparation period. Four, result publication. All the steps must verify according to that will be given in our web page. Do not pass the improvised change. We will be working for you. For my information, our web page. Thank you. See you at the university.